The arrest of member of National Assembly Pakistan involves several legal and procedural steps. Here is a detailed analysis of the procedure. Constitution provision. The Constitution of the Pakistan provides certain immunities and the privileges to MNA. Article 66 grant freedom of speech in Parliament and immunity from the legal proceedings for anything said or any vote given in the Parliament. However, the immunity does not extend to the criminal acts. Criminal Procedure Code. The CRPC outlined the general provisions for the arrest in Pakistan. This includes the requirement for a warrant in the most cases except when the offence is cognizable, that is, the police can arrest without the warrants. Step in the arrest procedure: filing an FIR. The process typically begins with the filing of the FIR by the police detailing the alleged offence. In the cases of MNA, this FIR must be based on substantial evidence due to a high-profile nature of the individual. Issuance of the warrant for the non-cognizable offences. A warrant must be issued by the magistrate. The police must present the FIR and any supporting evidence to be obtained. This warrant notification to the parliamentary authorities when MNA is to be arrested. The Speaker of the National Assembly must be notified. This is to ensure the arrest does not interfere with the parliamentary proceedings. Unnecessary execution of the arrest. The police must execute the arrest, ensuring that the MNA is treated with the due respect and the dignity, and the arrest must be conducted in a manner to minimize the public spectacle and maintains the individual dignity. Judicial custody and bail. After the MNA arrest, the MNA must be presented before the magistrate within 24 hours, and the magistrate will define the remand of the MNA or the judicial custody or the bail. So all the steps should be considered. Legal challenges. The arrest of MNA can challenge the arrest on various grounds, including procedural lapse, lacks of evidence, or the political motivations. These challenges are typically addressed in the higher courts. Political ramification. The arrest of an MNA can have significant political implication, potentially leading to protests, political rallies, and the media scrutiny. It can also implicate the functions of the National Assembly. If the MNA is arrested, of public perception. The manner in which the arrest is conducted, the legal proceedings can be influenced. The transparency and the legal procedure should be maintained, and public trust should be developed. Recent example, the Sheikh Afzal Marud were arrested on the basis of allegations that he violated public disciplines. The procedural steps followed including multiple FIRs, obtaining warrants, and notification of parliamentary authorities before the execution of arrest. These arrests should be done in a very sensitive manner because it can create political turmoil, like in case of recently arrest of PTI MNAs from the parliament area, and it should be necessary that only as such arrest should be done when it is required.